Hi, David here to show you Jotform Enterprise's brand new dashboard. From My Forms, click on your icon and select Admin to see the new Enterprise dashboard. From there, you'll see number of submissions, forms, and views at a glance. Select the date range to view a graph of your form data within a certain time period. Scroll to see your forms, total number of submissions, last submission dates, views, and users. From User Management, you can view all your user accounts and also add new ones. Select a user to change their account status and view their submission history. You'll be able to see all user actions, making it easier to track and monitor their form activity. The Form Management tab allows you to view, edit, delete, and move forms between users on your server. Lastly, you can go to Account Settings to change your company or domain information. There you have it, more account control with your new Jotform Enterprise dashboard.